Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your headlight switch, which is that. To either say you don't have the auto one and you want to get the auto one, I'll show you how to change that. If you want to get a normal one in or whatever, if something's broke, you can change this easily. So all you do is push it in, you turn it to the left and then push it in. Okay, see, and then turn to the right. Oh, mine's not going up. Okay, push it in. Oh, nearly had it. 1 second. Alright guys, so that is how you do it. Mine's just very stiff and I don't want to break it, so you just turn to the left, push it in, turn to the right, and then pull on it, yank it out fully. But mine is being a bit, it's very stiff. It keeps trying to pull this corner off, so I'm not gonna bother with that because I'm not replacing it anyway. So all you're doing is that turn to the left, push in, pull to the right, push in, pull to the right, and then yank it forward. And then there'll be a connector at the back. You just unconnect it, push in the tab, pull it off. It's just one connector. Put in the new one, and then just push it on, and it goes back in place. So that's how you change it.